Hi guys, welcome back to Homes in the Land City. This is Charlene Ding and I'm updating you what's happened in September last month. So developer sales remained lukewarm in September as there were no major launches and of course the softer market sentiment. As you can see here, only 217 units were sold, marking a 4.9% decline month on month from August, as you can see in the chart in the middle. The only new project launched in September was the 23-unit development, the Shorefront in Pasir Ris, and including some other new units launched in other developments, there were only 68 units launched. So that's why you can see a pretty slow September in terms of transactions. In the far right, you can see that the units sold in all the different three submarkets were pretty similar, except for a little bit more in the CCR with 35%. So you can see 30%. All three submarkets posted month-on-month declines in September, with the OCR seeing the steepest fall of nearly 64% month-on-month to 70 units only in September. The decrease in OCR new home sales could be attributed to a higher base in August because of the Lake Garden lifted sales at that time. So I'm going to bring you to the individual breakdowns of the three submarkets. Lentor Hill Residences was put on the market in July, and this was the best-selling project in the OCR in September, transacting 17 units at a median price of $2,231 per square foot. Now what happened was a 6-month low in the RCR as there were no new launches. New home sales were down by 33% month-on-month to 71 units in September. The top-selling RCR projects in the month included Grand Diamond, which sold 16 units at a median price of $2,571, the Reserve Residences, which sold 11 units at a median price of $2,446, the Continuum, which transacted 10 units at a median price of $2,790, the core central region led sales in September, as I mentioned earlier, with 76 units changing hands, but also a decline of 20.8% month-on-month from August. The CCR, a proxy for high-end homes, continued to face headwinds from the recent cooling measures where the additional buyer's stamp duty, the ABSD rates for foreigners and investors, were hiked to curb investment demand for homes. In addition, the lack of major launches in this submarket also put a drag on transactions. Now, Pullman Residences in Newton was the overall top-selling project in September, transacting 21 units at a median price of $3,258 per square foot. Developers held back on putting new projects on the market in this period of the traditional Hungry Ghost month, which spanned from mid-August to mid-September, as this period tends to see slower sales. The decline in sales in September was not unexpected given there were no big projects launches to prop up the transactions this month. As I said earlier, I'll tell you the reasons why. So this is the reason why. With private homes prices peaking and ample unsold units in the market, coupled with the still high interest rates, there may be some inertia in the market where buyers are taking time out to review their options. According to URA Realist data, the median transacted unit price of new condos in the CCR rose by 10.5% month-on-month to $3,151 per square foot in September. See this table. Attributed to projects such as Midtown Bay, Midtown Modern, Perfect 10, Leiden Green, and Orchard Sophia. The OCR also saw its median price rise by 0.3% month-on-month to $2,067 in September, supported by prices at projects such as Lentor Hill Residences, The Mist, The Botany at Dairy Farm, and The Arden. Meanwhile, the RCR saw its median price fall by 2.9% month-on-month to $2,544, likely owing to the lack of transactions at some projects, which helped to prop up the median price in August. Now looking ahead, we expect some new sales could stay relatively muted in October due to limited launches. But sales could tick up in November. And let me find this exciting project, which is called the Wharton House in Bukit Timah. Many good things happening. This event has a private preview soon, end of October, but only by invite only. So do DM me for a private invite. And of course, the other project, Jayden in Jurong East, which should garner interest from buyers given its attractive location and the plentiful amenities in the surrounding areas such as proximity to MRT stations. So that's all from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this update video, and I will check back with you again next month. See you. Bye.